Are you okay? Yes, I think so. Is anyone hurt? I don't think so. Call 911. I'm calling now. We need an ambulance. Yes, I've called for one. What happened? I'm not sure. It wasn't my fault. I didn't see you. I didn't see you. I didn't see you either. Do you have insurance? Yes, here it is. Here's my insurance card. Thanks, here's mine. Can I see your license? Sure, here it is. Let's exchange information. Yes, let's do that. Are there any witnesses? I don't see anyone. I need your contact info. Here's my phone number. The car is damaged. Yes, it is. It was an accident. Yes, I know. I'm calling the police. Okay, I'll wait. Wait here for the police. I'll stay here. I'm sorry this happened. Me too. Are you hurt? No, I'm fine. I need a tow truck. Me too. My car won't start. Mine won't either. Let's move to the side. Good idea. Take photos of the damage. I'm doing it now. Write down the license plate. Got it. I need to call my insurance. Same here. Stay calm. I'm trying. We need to file a report. Yes, let's do that. This is my phone number. Thanks, here's mine. Was anyone else involved? No, just us. I'm shaking. Me too.